So in this lecture we are going to learn just how to cut a text, okay, or how to make a text in different shapes. So just let's begin. We'll just make a text just like this, the text, okay, and you can change its color, and you can also add a gradient in the text. Okay, so for this what we're going to do, the type, convert it to the shape. Now it's converted into shape. Press the U key and select this one. To the field, select the gradient, okay, and make the gradient color just like the, for this one you will just use this tag color, and for the lighter part, upper, we're gonna use this one, okay, and you can set an angle too. Alright, so this is my text using the gradient, and when double click here you can just change the thing just like the bevel here to make it less like in the 3D contrast, okay, and increase the depth just like this. The size part, if you want to increase it, just give it a little bit to make it just like a realistic, okay, and you can change the angle from here. Alright, and if you want to drop shadow, then you can drop it. The normal part, the distance is just like this, and the angle is from here, okay, the size is much like this, and you can spread it if you want it. So you can also add the shadow just like this, but I don't want the shadow, it is just for to show you, okay, and now okay, and now if you want to cut it, then just make it a rasterized layer style, and now you have your text that you have just created using the gradient, and select the lasso tool and you can cut it just like this, okay. Now right click, clear wire cut, and you have this text just like this, see. So just like this you can create a text and cut into anything. If you want to cut into a shape, then you can cut this text into the two shapes, okay. So for the background, if you want to add a background, then you can add the background gradient. Alright, I will add a gradient here. Alright, so you see this is my two layers that I just created. You can make a gap between them, and you can place any object just like between them, okay, and just like here you can create another text, that is the text, okay, and come to the white. Alright, and you can place it from here just like this, see. So you can place any text here and completely fill it. So just like this you can make a gradient and cut a text into the any shape using the lasso tool or using the any selection tool that comes in the Photoshop.